So guys, welcome back to the channel. Montell here. Thank you again for being here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because this is definitely an entrepreneur channel. If you guys want to learn anything entrepreneurial or interested in sort of stuff like that, this is the place to be. But anyway, today we're going to be talking about the best business to start in 2018. I'm gonna try to keep this one short because I did promise to keep the last one short and that ended up being long as well. So what is the best business to start in 2018? Okay, it's not drop shipping, although that is good. Very excellent business model. It is not Amazon FBA. It's not affiliate marketing. It's not a social media marketing agency. It's actually your personal brand. Now, your personal brand is your life vein. It's your number one vein. It's your life source. It's your audience. You grow yourself on social media and you can literally do anything with that. It's your own traffic source. So let's say you have 10k followers on Instagram, 10k followers on YouTube, subscribers on YouTube, 10k on like a Facebook page or something like that. That's all your traffic. Like, it doesn't matter what you want to do with that traffic, you can do it. You want to sell an ebook, a course, a clothing line, you want to start a clothing line, you can do that. You want to sell you want to start a wine business, you can do that. Build a personal brand and you can build any other business and it will be an instant success. Like, look at Kanye West. Do you think people buy his shoes because they actually look good? No offense, but I do not think they look all that amazing. I don't think they definitely wouldn't get that much hype if it was just a normal shoe. 100%, in fact, they wouldn't get that much hype if they were just a normal shoe. It's because Kanye has built himself up a personal brand, put his name on a shoe, and the kids go crazy for it. That's how personal brand works. Look at Kylie Jenner, one of the number one Shopify stores in the world. She has probably no selling experience. The Kardashians and Jenners are absolute genius marketers, master manipulators. Like, I can't remember what the numbers were Kylie Jenner stores, but I'm sure it was like 400 million in a year or something. The numbers were absolutely insane on a Shopify store, and the products she was selling kind of looked like just any regular old makeup sets you can find on AliExpress. Like, that's how powerful a personal brand is. Like, her personal brand is so powerful, in fact, that her Shopify store crashes when she releases a new product. It crashes. Look at I think it's Ian Connor. I think it was Ian Connor that he built a personal brand and he took a shoe and put some sort of logo on it. I'll throw up the screenshot because I cannot recall it straight off the top of my head. But he managed to sell out this shoe in a matter of minutes. He actually made 400. I can't remember what it was, but he made like 6 figures in under an hour or something like that. Something crazy. So your personal brand is the business that's going to help every other business. Why I say personal brand's the best business to start, because it literally takes no money. You can get your camera, put it on a stand and film your journey like me. Or if you're already having success, you can teach people how to do it, and your audience will grow if you're consistent with your uploads, which I am not. I'm trying to fix that. But your personal brand will basically create you an audience. Once you've got an audience behind you, you can then sell anything. You can sell vodka like P. Diddy with Ciroc. You can sell friggin' Shopify products like Kylie Jenner and break stores. You can sell shoes like Ian Connor. You can sell shoes like Kanye West. You can do anything. Like what I said in my last video that I took off of E-Man, that E-Man always says, I'm not a businessman. E-Man Gadget, that is, by the way. I'm not a businessman. I am a businessman. Meaning 50 Cent is the business. Like, his name is the business. That's why I encourage everyone to start YouTube, because it's free. You can upload videos for free and build an audience and just throw out any video out there and people will watch. Because people, let me put it to you this way. There's a TV show in the UK. I forgot what the TV show is called. I don't really watch TV, but there's a TV show of people watching TV shows. So there's a camera set up in someone's own living room of them watching TV and reacting to it. That's how bored people are. So if you're actually going out on YouTube and actually providing value, of course people are gonna watch you. Of course people watch YouTube anyway. Like, people watch TV anyway. When people are bored, they do anything. So definitely put content out there, even if you don't know what to put out there. Put content out there that's about making content. Like, it's like, the world's crazy. You can do any, you can do all sorts. Write a blog. You can do all sorts. Just make sure you're putting some sort of content out there and building an audience, because then if you, even if you're not an entrepreneur, and you stumbled across this channel, build a personal brand, because maybe in the future you want to go into real estate, and your personal brand will help you with that, because you will get connections from your personal brand just like that. It attracts people. It makes you look, for some reason on Instagram, it's a psychology thing, but when you have a lot of followers on Instagram, people tend to trust you more and see you as more of a authority figure and take you more seriously and give you more respect. It's just how the world works, just how the human brain works. But personal brand is definitely the most important business to start. It is the most secure business, the most profitable business, and it's the most stable business as well. Because think about it. Let's say you have 200k followers on Instagram, and Instagram's about to die out and shut down like Vine did. You know, it happens. You could then say to your followers, come and follow me on the next big social media, and they will follow you. They will follow you because they are fans of you. They like you. You can't take you away from you. Like if you had a good dropshipping store, Facebook might change its algorithm, your ads might not work as well, or Shopify might shut down your store or something like that. That can get taken away from you. With a personal brand, the people are interested in you, and other people cannot take that away from you, because they are true fans. They are your fans. They like you as a person. They want to see you, and that's what it's all about in 2018. It's about personal branding. It's the new wave. It's the way you're going to make 7 figures, believe me, because you can diversify into any business. Drop shipping, it will help you get connections in the drop shipping space. It will help you with social media marketing agency. You get connections through that. It will help you with everything. It's the one domino that will affect all the other dominoes around you. So yeah, definitely start a personal brand. 110%, even if you are not in a position where you want to be right now. Like me, I just start it and build a following, because it's just going to make everything easier. Think about it this way. Even if you are super shit at selling, just because you have an audience, they will buy. Even if your product's not even good, your audience will buy because they like you. They're buying into you. And that's the beauty about personal brand. Let's say you're super shit at selling. You could literally just build an audience and put an affiliate link in your description, and they will click the link and see what you have to offer. And because they trust you and you've recommended them a product, and they're in a similar niche to you, so that you're in the entrepreneur niche and you suggest using ClickFunnels or something like that, then they'll click it and sign up, and you'll get affiliate commission for that and make money off of that because of your personal brand, because they are buying into you and they trust you and understand you and like you, all because of this personal brand, because you've put out content and build trust through that. So yeah, definitely start a personal brand, 110%. So a quick overview, definitely start a personal brand no matter where you are at your life, even if you're in a low point in your life right now. It is, it's the most profitable business because you literally don't have any startup cost. You can just buy a camera or just use your phone camera. So there's not really any upfront costs. There's nothing you need to, there's no outgoings unless you're gonna like run ads to like your Instagram account. It's super stable. It cannot be taken away from you. Just start by documenting your journey, jumping on camera, and do it. What they actually say is, if you can gain yourself 1,000 true fans, you will never work a day in your life. Now, 1,000 true fans doesn't sound like a lot, but it is actually hard to get 1,000 true fans. I don't think it's impossible, but it's hard work. You have to put in consistent content, of course, good value, keep pushing, and you'll actually get there. But let's think about that number. 1,000 true fans. You sell them $100 like ebook or course or something like that in the future, and the 1,000 people buy it, that's 6 figures right there, guaranteed, because they are true fans. You'll never work a day in your life if you can gain 1,000 true followers. So yeah, definitely start a personal brand, 110%, no matter where you are in your life. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I tried to keep it short, but I know I blabber on way too much. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.